false and static postures are one of the causes of musculoskeletal injuries and disorders, which, as the name suggests, affect muscles, joints, tendons, ligaments, nerves, bones, and the circulatory system. This is why it's very convenient to adopt the most comfortable position possible to minimize risk, discomfort, and fatigue. You will reduce your strain and will become less fatigued by maintaining the following posture: straight back without hunching, shoulders always relaxed, elbows slightly separated from the side of the body and forming an angle of about 90 degrees. Forearms parallel to the floor, wrists relaxed and in line with your forearms. Don't move your neck up and down, looking at the screen and keyboard, nor turn left and right. For this, the top of the screen should be positioned at the eye level. Thighs parallel to the floor and at an angle of about 90 degrees. Your knees must be at an angle of about 120 degrees. Use a footrest if the height of the seat doesn't allow your feet to reach the floor. If you have a laptop, you can set it higher and add a keyboard to it. Or you can add a keyboard and a monitor with a larger screen to it. Moreover, you already are aware of other healthy habits. You know that you have to stand up and relax for a few minutes every half hour. That you must make sure to have good natural lighting and ventilation. And that you can relax your eyes by looking at faraway objects for a few moments. If you maintain a good posture and good rest and relaxation habits, you will eliminate or at least reduce the injuries and musculoskeletal disorders. In the Help tab, you will find a glossary of the most used terms in the course and an explanation with pictures of each element that makes it up. This video is a lesson from the interdidactica.com typing course. You can register for free to record the results of your exercises, or you can also do them on your own. It's available in other languages and on different keyboards. If you're watching it on YouTube, you have the links to sign up, to start the course on your own, and to do this exercise in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your questions and comments below. Enjoy learning!